Today I'm gonna be showing you some slimes and putty. I only have two putties on this slime. This container is Play-Doh, so we'll get to this one. I made more at the end. I made just have squishies. Everything is on the side right now, so you can't really see it. Oh yeah, and pretty much I will got about 1, 2. Here, this is 2. I'm just peeling it up. I don't know why it's too close to the camera. And it has slime. It used to be stretchy, but it's drying out because of last night. I also have the squishy and crunchy slime. It's sandy, crunchy slime. So it kind of there's rocks in the sand sometimes. This is why I decided to make it crunchy. So let's show you them in a minute. So the first thing we're going to start with is the fidget spinner. It spins pretty fast, but you can't see it as fast as I can because I gotta get the call. Okay, so I'm back. I don't remember where I was, so I started with this one? I don't know. So, wait a minute. You're gonna think it's in the Play-Doh container. It is Play-Doh. But it isn't Play-Doh. It is something in there. I'm gonna start with this anyways, because I think I wanted to start with this. My Crunchies favorites. This is my favorite Crunchy slime because can you hear that? Yeah, you can probably hear that. They feel just so good. I just like it. So basically, you can pretty much see through when there's light through here. So just okay. So next we're gonna go with the fidget spinner. The fidget spinner is pretty cool because, like, look in the camera. I think I started with the fidget spinner. I was pretty sure. Yeah, it's pretty cool. This one is the really cool. So I'm gonna go next with Squishy. My grandma drew a face on it because the emoji ran out. The emoji peeled off, so it's squishy. Basically, that's how it's just squishy. And plus, got the slime. Some slime. It's pretty stretchy. Wait 1 minute. Again, another call. Okay, sorry, I was so long, but you cannot tell. So, who cares? So now we just got this slime done with. Now we got this one done with, this one done with, this one done with, and the final one. It's nothing. Yeah, I'm just kidding. It's not Play-Doh. If it was Play-Doh, it would be the same color as the packaging. I made this. I'm going to tell you how to make it. If you think I'm telling a lie, don't think. Try it at home. So this is a good idea. I just used flour and water to make this stretch slime. I had a purple and a red, and then I mixed my purple and red together. That's okay. My container is pretty much smaller than it is here. It's actually pretty bigger than the one in the can. When it goes big, it's actually pretty small in the camera. It's pretty big in the camera. So let's move that. It just feels so good. I may do an ASMR for you guys. If you want me to do one, because I love ASMR. Some people say AMSR like RMSA. Except I'm gonna start putting it in the container. Here, and I'm gonna go. Oh, there's slime in here. I forgot. It's pretty hard, and please give me likes. It doesn't matter if we don't look good or not. It just matters if you enjoy the video. But give me likes, because me and my friend had so much fun making all these videos. She may not come on Thursday, so please. If you don't come, I'm gonna get so mad. I may do bad videos, but please like my videos and subscribe. Follow me on Musical.ly. I showed you in a couple of last videos. I showed you the Musical.ly one. I showed Alex Jobans, Emily Butler, Race Amelia, and Akira. That's me. So I hope you follow me. Bye.